Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is of different beautiful pretty girls with flowers on their head and wearing beautiful different varieties of flowers, garlands all over their head, and which are really creative ideas of wearing flowers as this beautiful lavender. And look at these pretty ones which are representing the most beautiful garlands in different beautiful color, and the combination of the flower with jewelries as well. Look at these fantastic ones. How gorgeous this looks. This is the awesome and the real creativity in which you can see all kinds of beautiful pretty flowers been added to the head to make the hair and look even much more prettier. For any of you who want to keep this as deeply as you surely can, and to those who want to wear it for different occasion or surprising parties, you can just definitely give it a try from among these, whichever you loved. Most of these are covered with loads and loads of flowers, ton of beautiful pretty flowers, combination with their dresses as well. For more such videos, just hit the subscribe button, stay tuned and share. Thanks for watching.